In this video, I'll detail how to fix ringer sound volume gets low on incoming calls on iPhone. So if each time you have an incoming calls on your iPhone, the moment you pick up the iPhone, the ringer volume will get low. Then here, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone ringer volume stable, even when you pick up the phone when ringing or the phone is in your pocket. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix ringer sound volume gets low on incoming calls on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you just need to scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. This depends on your phone. So select Face ID and Passcode, then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you type in your iPhone passcode, the feature you're looking for here or the feature you need to turn off here is called the attention aware feature. So if the attention aware feature is enabled, your iPhone ringer volume will get low the moment it detects any kind of movement or it detects as you pick up your iPhone, and then this is going to reduce the ringer volume. So basically you can see iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So this is going to reduce your iPhone ringer volume when it senses any attention from your iPhone when it is ringing. Now to fix this, all you just need to do is turn this off. And once that is off, your iPhone ringer volume remains stable whenever you have an incoming call. So if you found this helpful and informative on how you can easily fix ringer sound volume gets low on incoming calls on iPhone, please don't forget to like and subscribe.